In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Google Merchant Center next. This process is essential for businesses looking to showcase their products across Google's platforms efficiently. We'll guide you through each step to ensure you're up and running smoothly in no time. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and type in www.google.com retail in the address bar. Once the page loads, you should see a Start Now button prominently displayed. Click on that to begin your setup process. This is your gateway to setting up an online store through Google's robust platform. Next, let's move on to entering your business information. This step is crucial as it forms the foundation of your online presence with Google Merchant Center. Be prepared with all your basic business details. You'll need to provide your official business name and select the country where your business operates. It's vital to ensure the accuracy of this information as it affects how your products appear to potential customers. After filling in your business details, you'll need to verify your website. Verification is a necessary security measure to prove that you own the website you're looking to tie in with Google Merchant Center. Google will prompt you with various verification options. Choose the method you're most comfortable with, whether it's uploading an HTML file to your site, using the recommended tag, or verifying through your domain provider. Take your time to follow the instructions specific to the option you choose. With your website verified, it's time to add products to your merchant center. You'll be given two main options here: uploading products manually or syncing them from an existing online store like Shopify or WooCommerce. If you have a substantial number of products, syncing could save you considerable time and effort, ensuring your product listings remain up to date automatically. Following product addition, you must set up your shipping details. This step is crucial for managing customer expectations and ensuring transparency in your services. Carefully specify where you ship to and the costs associated with different regions or shipping options. This helps in managing customer expectations and minimizes hassle down the track. And there you have it. With those steps complete, you've successfully set up your Google Merchant Center next. Now you're ready to present your products to a wider audience on Google's platforms. Remember, this setup makes your products visible not just on Google Shopping, but potentially in other crucial product advertising spaces offered by Google. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Thank you for joining me today, and happy selling.